you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
It didn't turn on, so I had to call it last night.
I couldn't sleep last night. I put half of the box together for the Jeep, and I almost just came late and put it together.
So it's built for 6.
Okay.
But I only got 4 in 1 AK at the moment, so I just sealed up the front two. So it's 4 DV6 D2s wired down to 1.
Yeah.
And then 1 Salt AK.
Where'd you get the fourth one?
Huh?
Where'd you get the fourth one from?
I've had 4.
Oh yeah, you did, didn't you?
It's decent. I mean, you know, it's missing some power.
How many did you have at first? You had a no one.
So I had 4 XB2s.
Yeah.
Then I went to 3 ZV6s in the Buick.
Yeah.
But I had the 4th one. Then I went to 6 in here.
Yeah.
Obviously, there's only 4 in here now.
Yeah. Hell getting him in there though, wasn't it? I know it's him.
Motherfucker. I had all the seats out, the loading wall come out, all the bars. I mean, it ain't that bad, but it's still a bitch getting them in there.
Here you gotta move the stuff around like this.
Yeah, flip that bitch over. Yeah.
And try not to break it.
It'll be alright.
Hey, freedom guys, though. I got some niggas on Lord love. I'm stuck in the system. Remember, we slept on the floor together. The gun on the bottom. Lord love. I got some niggas on Lord love. I'm stuck in the system. Lord help. I ain't talking about Guinness. She gon' fuck the next nigga when you get sentenced. Lost his knowledge while incarcerated. Got to her at the frame. Can't come. It ain't all bad, but
It ain't the Buick.
That's all right, man.
It ain't gonna be the Buick. Yeah, man, let me know where I can find you at.
Heath Gilland on Facebook. Wendy Buick on TikTok. That'll be changed here soon for the Tahoe.
You coming on back?
Yes, sir. Just Heath Gilland on Facebook and Instagram. Yes,
Y'all know I'm gonna tag.
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.